Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to do 2019 year Volkswagen Golf Oculus using KD-X4. Now the brake already done. Okay, this is a brake. Okay, this is JB15. The OBD connected in my programming. Okay, VW. Okay, obtain anti-chef day through third-party MQB. Volkswagen MQB Oculus process. Need to contact this man to obtain the 6th day. Okay, start execution. Obtain. Turn on. Okay. The real information can be used to send to third party for calculations. Do you want to save this file to the server? Okay. Scan this code to add friends. Okay. This function provides services for third parties. Next step. We already add this friend. Next step. Take a picture. Okay. Take a picture. Take a picture. Save and send it to the third party to calculate the 6th day. Okay. Finish. Finish. in more programming. Now we need to learn the key. The first step, we need to generate a dealer key. Okay. MQB. Okay. 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 Generate OEM keys. Okay. All key loss. Sync day for this vehicle needs to be loaded. We already obtained the sync day from third party. So this one, sync day. Okay. KD-JB Smart Key. This one. Generate. No killer score. Put the smart key into the induction coil. Okay. Okay. Return. Now we need to do the key programming. Because the sensor is no good, so we take out the bird to learn key programming. Okay. Okay. MQB. Okay. Okay. Please enter the quality of the keys to be added. We need to add one. Okay. Turn on. Okay. Put the key to this position. Okay. Okay. Is this key small one? No. Key mode 11. Okay. Key programming finished. Okay. Then we check the remote. Okay, the remote working. Okay. Start the car. Okay.